How to fix Gorilla Tag not working in Oculus Quest 2. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Gorilla Tag not working in Oculus Quest 2. If Gorilla Tag isn't working on your Oculus Quest 2, start by restarting your headset. Then press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Then select Restart. If that doesn't help, try unplugging your Oculus Quest 2 from the power source and plugging it back in to reset the connection. Another step you can take is to reinstall the Oculus app. Sometimes reinstalling the app can clear out any issues that might be preventing the game from running properly. After reinstalling, log in and set up your device again before launching Gorilla Tag. It's also important to check if your audio drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause problems with the game's sound, so updating them might fix the issue. Additionally, make sure you have allowed access to your microphone, as Gorilla Tag requires this permission to function correctly. Finally, adjust your sound settings to ensure the volume is turned up and the output is set to your headset. By following these steps, you should be able to get Gorilla Tag working on your Oculus Quest 2.